Using elementary transformations, find the inverse of each of the matrices here. Okay, this is a given matrix. So they asked March 2016 Karnataka PU board here. It is a 3 marks question here. So let us consider given matrix as A. In order to use elementary row operations, we may write A is equal to I into A. A is this a given matrix here. So right here given matrix 1 minus 1 2 3 here. Okay. Then this is equal to I is identity matrix here. So right here 1 0 0 1 into the matrix A. Into the matrix A. Now we bring this left side matrix as an identity matrix here. Okay. Here we use only row operations here. That is important here. Only use row operations. Okay. Here we want a 0. Therefore multiply first row by 2 here. Multiply by 2 and subtract here. Then this becomes a 0. Okay. Therefore R2. This is the second row here. R2 gives R2 minus of 2 into R1 here. Multiply first row by 2 and subtracting the second row here. Means second row changes here. Only second row changes. First row keep as it is here. Left side as well as right hand side here. Therefore here 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. Even the right side first row here. 1 0. Right as it is here. Into the matrix A. Into the matrix A. I am multiplying here by 2 and subtract here. Okay. So just look here. 2 minus of 2 into 1 here. 2 minus multiply 2 here. 2 into 1. 2 minus 2, 2 becomes what here? 0. So this becomes a 0. Okay, this becomes 0. Again multiply by 2 and subtract here. Okay. Therefore 3 minus of 2 into minus 1 here. Okay, multiply by 2 here and subtract here. 3 minus of 2 into minus 1. Here minus into minus becomes a plus here. Then 3 plus 2 becomes a 5. So this becomes a 5. Okay. Then multiply by 2 and subtract here. So 0 minus of 2 into 1 here. 2 into 1. It gives a minus of here. So write here minus 2. Minus 2. And here multiply 2 and subtract here. So 1 minus of 2 into this is 0 here. Therefore this becomes a 0. Remaining is 1 here. So write here 1. Okay. Therefore here R2 minus of 2 into R1 here. Okay. So write this matrix here. Next here we want 1 here. Here we want 1. Therefore dividing this second row by 5. Okay. So again R2 gives the R2 divided by 5. Just dividing the 5 second row by 5 on both sides here. Left side as well as right hand side. Again first row keep as it is. Do not change the first row. Okay. Therefore 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. Even in the right hand side also first row 1 0. Right as it is and matrix A is the again right matrix A as it is here. Dividing the second row by 5, 0 divided by 5 becomes a 0. Then 5 divided by 5 becomes 1 here. Minus 2 divided by 5. Minus of 2 divided by 5 and here divided by 5 it becomes 1 divided by 5 and upon 5. Okay. Next here we want a 0 at this place. Here we want 0 here. So just add it here. 1 minus 1 becomes a 0 here. Hence R1 gives R1 plus R2 here. Just adding these two rows here. So again R1 means first row changes here. Second row keep as it is here. Second row elements right as it is. Okay. Here matrix A is there. Write it as it is. 0 1. So write here 0 1 minus 2 upon 5 1 upon 5. minus 2 divided by 5, 1 upon 5, keep as it is. Then adding this here, 0 plus 1 becomes 1 here. Then 1 minus 1 becomes a 0. It is a 0 here. Then this plus this means 1 minus 2 by 5 here. So 5 is the LCM here. Okay. So right here 5 is the denominator. This plus this here. So 1 minus 2 upon 5. 5 LCM 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 2 becomes a 3 here. 3 by 5. So right here 3 divided by 5. Then 0 plus 1 upon 5 becomes 1 upon 5. Okay, it is a 1 divided by 5. Therefore, it is in the form of I is equal to what here? B into A. So B is equal to this here. So this is inverse of the given matrix here. Therefore, B is equal to 3 divided by 5, 1 divided by 5, minus 2 divided by 5, 1 upon 5 is inverse of the matrix A. This is the inverse of the matrix A. Okay. Even here also, you take a given matrix as a A. Okay. Here again use row operations here. Therefore, take here A is equal to I into A. Okay. A is equal to I into A. Again we are using row operations here. Therefore, given matrix is 1, 2, 2 minus 1 here. That is equal to identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1 into the matrix A. Okay. Now you bring this matrix as an identity matrix here. Here we want a 0. So multiply 2 and subtract here. It is just take a previous example here. So therefore R2 gives so R2 minus of 2 into R1 here. Okay, so R2 means the second row changes here. First row you keep as it is here. Okay, because there is already 1 here. Here we want identity matrix. There is already 1 here. Okay, so first row keep as it is. 1, 2. Even the right side also. This is equal to 1, 0 into the matrix A. Okay. Multiply by 2 and subtract here. Hence 2 minus of 2 into 1 here. 2 into 1. Okay. 2 minus 2 becomes a 0 here. So here it becomes a 0. Okay. Then multiply by 2 here and subtract here. So minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 2 into 2 here. Minus 1. Minus 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4 here. Minus 1 minus 4 becomes a minus of 5. So right here minus 5. Then multiply by 2 and subtract here. So 0 minus of 2 into 1. It is a minus 2 here. So right here minus of 2. Then multiply by 2 here and subtract here. 1 minus 2 into 0. This is a 0 here. Remaining is 1. So right here 1. Okay. Next here we at this place we want a plus 1 here. So therefore dividing this is second row by minus 5. So R2 gives R2 divided by minus 5. Okay, R2 divided by minus 5. Dividing second row by minus 5. Again second row changes here. First row keep as it is. Okay. First row right as it is here. Both left hand side as well as right hand side here. This is keep as it is here. So 1, 2. 1, 2 and 1, 0 here. Here dividing by minus 5, this is a 0 here. It is a 0. Minus 5 upon minus 5 becomes 1. Minus 2 upon minus 5. It is a 2 divided by 5. 1 upon minus 5 is a minus of 1 divided by 5. Okay. Next here we want a 0. Now you multiply here by 2 and subtract here. Therefore R1 gives, okay, R1 gives R1 minus 2 into R2 here. Okay, therefore R1 changes here, so R2 keep as it. R2 means the second row here. Second row elements keep as it is here. Both right hand side as well as left hand side here. Okay, so 0 1 0 1 here. 2 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5. 2 divided by 5 minus of 1 divided by 5. Okay, therefore multiply by 2 and subtract here. So 1 minus 2 into 0 is the 1 here, so write here 1. Multiply 2 and subtract here. So therefore 2 minus of 2 into 1, it becomes a 0, so this is a 0. Then multiply here by 2 and subtract here. So 1 minus of 2 into 2 upon 5, 2 divided by 5. So 5 LCM here. 5 is LCM, 5 ones are 5 and 2 twos are 4 here. So this is equal to 1 divided by 5. So right here 1 upon 5. Then multiply by 2 and subtract here. So 0, then minus of 2 into minus of 1 by 5. Minus into minus becomes a plus here. So it is 2 divided by 5. So right here 2 by 5. Okay, here multiply by 2 and subtract here. So 0 minus 2 into minus 1 by 5. Minus into minus become plus. So 2 divided by 5. So this is identity matrix here. It is in the form of I is equal to B into A. Therefore here B is equal to 1 by 5. 2 divided by 5. 2 divided by 5 minus 1 upon 5 is inverse of the matrix A. It is a 3 marks question here. It is a very important example for the point of examination. Usually every year they are asking such type of example here. So third example here. Okay, here that asked 2 times here. So in order to use elementary row operations, we may write A is equal to I into A. So I is a given matrix here. 1, 3, 2, 7 here. And I is the identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1 here. Into the matrix A. Okay. Again there is already 1 here. Just make it as a 0. Hence R2 gives R2 minus of 2 into R1. Therefore second row changes first row right as it is here. Both the left side as well as right hand side here. Okay. Here matrix A. So right here A. 1, 3. In the first row elements are 1, 3 and 1, 0 here. Multiply here by 2 and here by 2 and subtract here. It becomes a 0. Okay. So 2 minus of 2 into 1. It becomes a 0. Multiply by 2 and subtract here. So 7 minus of 2 into 3 here. 7 minus 6 becomes 1. So right here 1. Then here 0 minus 2 into 1. 0 minus of 2 into 1 is a minus 2 here. So right here minus 2. 1 minus 2 into 0. 1 minus of 2 into 0 is a 1 here. So right here 1. Next here we want 0. Here we want 0. Multiply by 3 and subtract here. Okay. Therefore R1 gives R1 minus 3 into R2 here. So first row changes here. Second row right as it is. Second row elements are right as it is. You not change the second row elements here. Okay. Therefore 0, 1 is there. So right here 0, 1. Minus 2, 1. So right here minus 2, 1 here. Then 1 minus 3 into 0. Multiply by second row by 3 here. 1 minus of 3 into 0 is 1. So right here 1. Then 3 minus 3 into 1 here. 3 into 1. It becomes a 0. So right here 0. Then 1 minus of 3 into minus 2 here. 3 into minus 2 minus into minus plus 3 to the 6 plus 1 becomes 7 here. So write here 7. Then 0 minus of 3 into 1 here is equal to minus 3 here minus 3. So this is a identity matrix here. Hence I is equal to, you can write here B into A here. Therefore here B is equal to the matrix 7 minus 3 minus 2 1 is inverse of the matrix A. These are 3 marks question.